It's giving Beyonce. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is palesa.inama and welcome to this wig review. So today I'm wearing this highlight curl teapot wig and it is from Unice Hair on Amazon. They sent me this lovely wig so I could review it for you guys, and honestly I think it's super cute. It's giving vacation vibes, like give me summer, because it is still summer in South Africa. And it is so lovely. I don't think I've ever worn anything like this before. Well, a curly one. I've worn highlight hair, but this is like the first time I wear highlight hair with curls. And yeah, I think I like it. It's very playful and it suits my skin tone, so that's a bonus. If you want the details of this hair, then stay tuned and watch the install. I will leave all the details for you in the description box down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, but I hope you enjoyed this video. So the wig came in this box and it says Unice Hair. In the box there were some goodies that came in this organza baggie. They sent me some lashes, and let me tell you, lashes are good, baby. Then they sent me wig caps, which I don't really use, and this silk scarf. I'm just going to unpack it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Just a cute little scarf. They also sent me these metal heat clips, and now I'm going to show you the wig. This is what the wig looks like. It is this jerry curl type of wig. It is a teapot wig. It has 3 combs and it also has the adjustable straps so you can secure your wig. I'm now going to throw this on. If you're a beginner and you would like to get to laying frontals, I absolutely recommend teapot wigs because they are very easy to install. I've gone and tucked the hair away in like a ponytail bun, and I'm going to cut away the ear tabs. So the thing with wigs is that with every install you will get better, but also you need to watch as many videos as you possibly can and try the different techniques to see what works for you. Another thing I've learned is it looks very nice when it is all plucked and the hairline looks melted, honey. But what they don't tell you is that you need to have the money to change that frontal in a couple of months, because when you pluck a wig a lot, it's going to shed and that frontal is going to start balding, sweetheart. I'm just sharing. So you will notice that I did not pluck this wig because there isn't much room between like the first track and this little teapot frontal, and unfortunately I could not pluck it, otherwise you would have been able to see the tracks that are underneath, but this varies from company to company. To tack down my wig, I am going to be using the Got to Bead freeze dried spray. I'm just going in right on the edges where I did leave a little lace, just so I would be able to tack it down and that I would have something to hold on to so I could secure my wig. So I'm going to be going in with my elastic band, just going to wrap it around, and I'm going to leave it on for a couple of minutes just so that glue dries down, but also it melts my edges into that skin, babe. So I'm just cleaning away the excess got to be glued, but I just wanted to show you how simple it is to lay down a teapot wig, but any wig for that matter. And I'm just going to go off camera and transform this face, and I will be back to see you towards the end of this video. So with a teapot wig, you can only make one parting depending on whether you chose a side parting. Normally I choose a middle part because I feel like if I want to pull my hair up, then I can pull my hair up, and that's just the advantage of a middle part teapot wig. So I'm just making my parting there. Then I'm going to take my Tresemme bottle. There's just water and a bit of conditioner in here. I love this bottle because it's so easy to spray with that trigger. To define my curls, I'm going in with a few pumps of this Afri True curl mousse. I'm just going to slop that right on these curls. I love these because they're not like curl. It's like a loose curl type of vibe, but it looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side as well. Spray some water and conditioner and then brush it through and add some of the Afri True curl mousse. Would you look at that? This is what the finished look looks like, and honestly I think highlighted hair was made for me because look at me, child. Okay guys, that is it for the install. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about the hair or the install or anything related to this wig, please leave it for me in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I will see you next time in my next video.